Oh boy, nothing better. I designed both pieces of steel for this project in AutoCAD, then dropped the files on SendCutSend's website. They cut them out with a laser and sent them to my doorstep. So this is the top. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Gonna be the top. I'm gonna do this one first. 2, 3, 4. Not even close. More fire. Less fire. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment down below if you're interested in plans from this project, and if there's enough interest, I'll put a link in the description.